Consistently excellent post-service communication is the single most effective way to increase repeat visits and referrals in pest control. After every visit, we should call or text to confirm completion and next steps, and then follow up again within 72 hours to check for results and any new activity. Train technicians to explain what they did and why in plain language, and to leave a one-page recap that lists actions taken, expected timeline for results, and practical homeowner steps to reduce attractants. Offer a simple seasonal maintenance checklist that homeowners can follow and review it during the visit so they understand how our work fits into ongoing prevention. When customers report problems, respond within 24 hours and escalate to a supervisor if there is not a same-day fix, keeping the customer informed at each step. Handwrite a brief thank you note after the first or major service and include a referral card or a link to an easy review page so sharing is effortless. Make it routine to ask for candid feedback, log common concerns, and use that data to update scripts and training so we continuously reduce repeat issues. 3 common mistakes are slow or absent follow-up, unclear technician communication, and treating service as one time instead of an ongoing relationship. Slow or absent follow-up creates anxiety and lost renewals, so always schedule the follow-up while the tech is on site and automate reminders that a person then completes. Unclear technician communication leads to misunderstanding about expectations, so coach techs to use plain language, show actual treatment areas, and leave a one-page recap that the homeowner can reference. Treating service as one-off limits referrals because homeowners do not experience ongoing value, so sell and document a maintenance plan, schedule periodic check-ins, and provide seasonal tips that keep the homeowner engaged without pressure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for pest control solutions with local contractors and offers a place where we can share experiences and ask questions. Our discussion community lets homeowners and contractors exchange tips, post referrals, and resolve common concerns so both sides find value in ongoing relationships.